Unit 8, Vocabulary, page 94, Exercise 1. Listen, point, and order the pictures. Last week, we asked you to send us some examples of your own work.
Yes, we know you are all creative young fashion designers, and we wanted to see what accessories you've made.
And Aria and I were very happy with what you sent us. We have displayed a few examples of your best work on our website.
Yes, we have. So, Owen, let's take a look. We loved this belt and ring combination, a unique, beautiful design.
We also loved the beautiful small earrings matched with a special necklace. They go together perfectly.
This purse to carry around your money and a beautiful bracelet were some of our favorites, both made of recycled materials. Excellent!
You sent us some more formal accessories, too. This is a homemade tie, perfect for a school uniform.
And if you want to dress up in a costume, maybe for a costume party or theater show, check out this beautiful royal crown. So creative.
If it starts to rain, you will look great with this artistic umbrella. It has a striped pattern, very unique.
And, of course, some important accessories for the hair. I like to use a brush because of my long hair, but Owen, you would use this comb, wouldn't you?
Yes, I would. I love it. Those were our favorites. Write to us to tell us which you liked best. Unit 8, Vocabulary, page 94, Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
Umbrella, umbrella. Ring, ring. Costume, costume. Necklace, necklace. Crown, crown. Uniform, uniform. Comb, comb. Earrings, earrings. Belt, belt. Brush, brush. Striped, striped. Purse, purse. Tie, tie. Bracelet, bracelet.
Unit 8, Story, page 98, Exercise 2. Read and listen to the story. Mark L for literal and F for figurative language. The belt.
Mia was amazed by Nadia's belt. Everyone thought it was the coolest belt ever. It was shiny, colorful, and had a striped design at the front. It even looked good with her uniform. "Have you bought a new belt, Nadia?" Mia asked. "Yes, I have," Nadia replied. "How long have you had your belt?" she added. Mia looked down. "Oh, about 2 years," she said. Nadia laughed and walked away. Mia turned red. Mia went home angry. "Have you had a bad day at school?" asked her dad. "Yes, I have," she replied. "Nadia has a new belt, and she laughed at mine." Mia's dad looked surprised. "Haven't you made lots of your own accessories? I bet you could make an even better one." He was right. She had a necklace she made, some earrings, and matching bracelets, and the best costumes ever. She decided to make a belt. The next morning, Mia's friends gasped. "Wow! Have you bought a new belt?" they asked. "No, I haven't," she said with a smile. "I made it."
Unit 8. Listening and Speaking. Page 99. Exercise 2. Listen and complete the sentences.
Hi, Aria. I understand you came to present your accessories for the Young Designers competition.
That's right. I've brought lots of my own designs, perfect for different outfits.
Great! So, what have you brought in to show us?
Well, first, I want to present this tie. It looks great with any uniform. I have tried it with mine, or a normal outfit. I used different colors to make it unique.
Great! And how long have you known how to make ties?
I learned 2 months ago, and I have made 10 different ties.
Have you designed any jewelry?
Yes, I have. I have designed these blue earrings and a matching blue necklace. I am making a blue bracelet, too.
Wonderful! These are very beautiful. How long have you made jewelry?
For a year. I have made lots of kinds of jewelry in the last year.
Now, have you brought a special costume to show us?
Yes, I have. This is a queen's costume, perfect for parties or theater shows. There is also a crown to go with it.
These are great, Aria. Have you shown us everything?
No, I haven't. I also have this umbrella with a sun printed on it.
Well, that's perfect for today. We don't want to get wet.
Unit 8. Vocabulary. Page 100. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and match the materials to the accessories.
I'm here in the workshop where Aiden and Athena are making some great accessories. Let's find out how they do it. So here we have lots of jewelry. I can see rings, necklaces, and earrings. Aiden, have you made these with plastic?
Hi, Luna. No, we haven't. All these pieces are made of gold and silver. We melt the material into a liquid and cool it in shapes.
Wow, they're beautiful. And what about this belt? Have you used metal for this?
Yes, we have. This part, the buckle, is made of metal. It is hard and strong. The rest of the belt is leather, so it's flexible.
Oh, great! Now I'm going to talk to Athena over here. She is making some clothes. Athena, what have you used to make these clothes?
Well, this shirt is made of cotton and this one is silk. The sweater here is made of wool, so it's very warm.
Oh, great! And what are these combs made of?
The combs are made of wood.
And finally, I can see a spotted umbrella here. Have you used metal?
No, I haven't. The umbrella needs to be light, but metal is heavy, So for this, I used plastic.
Great! And how long has this workshop been open?
We've had the workshop for 3 years now.
Congratulations! Thank you for showing me around.
Unit 8. Vocabulary. Page 100. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
Cotton, cotton. Gold, gold. Leather, leather. Metal, metal. Plastic, plastic. Silk, silk. Silver, silver. Spotted, spotted. Wood, wood. Wool, wool.
Unit 8. Listening and speaking. Page 213. Exercise 1. Listen and write the correct number in the box.
Welcome to the Young Designer Competition. We have 6 young designers here today. What's your name?
Camilla,
What have you brought, Camilla?
a pretty necklace that I've made by hand. It looks lovely on simple clothes.
It's beautiful. How long have you made necklaces?
For a few years.
Thanks, Camilla. Hi there. What's your name?
I'm Julian.
What are you going to show us, Julian?
This amazing spotted tie with a red background and bright colors.
Why have you decided to make ties?
When my sister got married, I had to wear a tie, but I couldn't find one I liked. So I decided to make my own, and here I am.
It's an impressive tie, Julian. Thank you. And you are?
Keiko.
Hello, Keiko. What do you want to show us?
These pretty colorful earrings.
They look wonderful. Why do you enjoy making earrings?
Because they help girls show their own style.
Thanks, Keiko. Hi there. What's your name?
My name's Layla.
What do you want to show us?
This amazing bracelet made of natural materials.
It's really nice. How long have you made bracelets?
For about a year now.
Thanks, Layla. Hello. What's your name?
I'm Jaden.
What have you brought to show us, Jaden?
This painted leather belt.
What gave you the idea for it?
Girls have lots of belts to match their clothes, so I've thought of putting a lot of colors in one belt.
That's very creative. Thanks, Jaden. Let's see what the judges think of these fantastic creations.
Unit 8. Integrated Skills Review. Page 219. Exercise 3. Listen and write about their favorite items.
Hey there, I'm Anna. Can I ask you some questions about favorite items?
Sure, go ahead.
What's your name?
I'm Claire.
Do you have a favorite item?
Yeah, it's a necklace.
That's cool. How long have you had it?
For a year. My dad bought it for me.
Can you tell me more about your necklace?
It's made of black leather and it has a silver pendant.
Thanks for answering my questions.
No problem.
Hi, my name's Anna. Can I ask you a few questions about favorite items?
Of course.
What's your name?
I'm Gianna.
What's your favorite item?
It's a belt that my mom made for me.
That's cool. What's it made of?
It's made of cotton, and the buckle is metal.
And what color is it?
It's a striped belt, and it's pink and white.
How long have you had it?
For 6 months.
Thanks for answering my questions.
You're welcome.